Good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is me Bhavna. Today I am at my farmhouse and you can see that here is environment is amazing and evening time if we go uh, outside to our home, so feeling is amazing. I mean that view is awesome and evening time is amazing literally. In evening time I um, sometimes I come at my farmhouse, so feeling like that, wow, that's means our whole um, mindset that change. Mean that mindset means not means if you have something problem, so if you come in a this type of place that has no one here that speak you this type of this side, if you came, so amazing type of feeling comes. And you can say that sky view of sky, you can see that it's amazing and marvelous literally. This type of view, it's a nature view we can see, that is so amazing. You can say that yeah, and literally it is superb. And I want to say something unique to you, that what is a unique. So I am saying to you that if you are learning English language, if you want to know grow inside, so what is important? Many people will say that for learning this language we have to know about grammar, vocabulary, and speaking, and something rules of English language, and this type of we have to do for learn this language. So I agree with you, but as well as according to me, if you want to know about whatever language, I am not saying only for one, I am saying whatever language if you want to know, so you must have to start as well as your other things. You have to do one thing that is that will very useful and important to you. So what is, so I am saying that activity, if you are doing some activity that kind of if you do a brain train activity, hand activity, or if you are solving some puzzles, so this type of, if you are playing some game like based on your mindset memory, so it can be very useful and important to you, and it will very good to you, because if you do this type of activity in your day regular, so you can see that if you do so, your mind active, and your thinking process is much better good in past. So I mean that you have to do activities as well as with your study, it will very important, it is very important. So you have to do this type of thing also. So that's all about me. Take care. Bye bye.